Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. For today's lesson, you need textbook for Class 3, Chapter 3, Lecture 1. By the end of the lesson, the student will be able to tell how many syllables each word has. The name of the unit is The Wise Father, and there is a little pre-reading required which you can do yourself at home. For class task, open your textbook page number 21. Pronunciation. A syllable is the smallest unit of a word with a single sound. Words call. इसको हमने एक दफा ही बोला है. Bite. Bite. दो दफा. Football. दो दफा. Climate. दो दफा. Beautiful. तीन दफा. So the word call has one syllable. The word bite has two syllables. The word football has two syllables. The word climate has two syllables. And the word beautiful has three syllables. Now you have to tell how many syllables each word has. Wise, pencil, thin, city, intelligent, play, citizen, book, noon, holiday. Wise, 1, pencil, 2, thin, 2, city, 2, intelligent, 3, play, 1, citizen, 3, book, 1, noon, 1, holiday, 3. Tell how many syllables each word has. Ladybug, ladybug, 3 syllables. Apple, apple, 2 syllables. Window, 2 syllables. Refrigerator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables. Let's do some class practice on workbook page number 17. Identify the number of syllables of the given words. You can clap your hands to count the number of syllables in each word. Rainbow, beautiful, 3. Pen, 1. Pig, 1. Register, 3. For home task, you have to do the similar activity on page 17 and 18. आपने ये activity समर पैक पे घर पे खुद से कोशिश करनी है. इस वीडियो को आप जितनी दफा चाहें रिपीट करके देख सकते हैं ताकि आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए. होम टास्क के लिए पेज नंबर 19 और 20 के ऊपर आपको क्वेश्चन 1 नजर आएगा जिसके 4 पार्ट्स हैं और एक एक्टिविटी है. Choose the correct option. Which of the following word has 2 syllables? आपने correct option को ढूंढना है खुद से read करके. Identify the word which has 1 syllable. Find syllables in the word count. Choose the combination of words which has 2 syllables. Keep your hand under your chin and feel the movement while saying the words. Guess the number of syllables in a word by doing this. Poor, football, driver. कितने syllables आपको समझ आए वो आपने यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. ये आपका home task है. Please do not forget to do your homework before the next lesson. Also read the Unit 3 before coming to the next class. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.